Alright guys, Jay Product Performance here. I'm just giving you a quick update. If you're following this, I have been trying to rebuild these Cruis-o-matics lately, and I've been complaining about the overhaul kits and things, and not having all the O-rings, or not having sealing rings that don't fit and things like that, and just being frustrated with them. I found some kits that I thought were the brand, they were the brand I used to use, but this is a failure here. I'm building this unit. This is a medium case Cruis-o-matic. I believe it's around a 1963, 64, and I don't even think this kit's for this unit. The pan gasket doesn't even fit. I've had to find a few O-rings in my old drawer of miscellaneous O-rings that weren't in the kit. The sealing rings didn't fit for the forward and direct drum. The ones for the governor here seem to fit. Those are good. And then the ones that are on this shaft here, those were fine, but the others were just completely the wrong size, so I don't even know what this is supposed to fit. All I know is it didn't fit this medium case. So I'm kind of struggling along here trying to get this done. No thanks to this kit. It's a weird unit. It was really rusty inside, but it worked, oddly enough. Didn't work good, but look at this rusty old cruddy governor. And somehow this thing was shifting. So I'll clean this all up, and then it probably won't work anymore. That's the frustrating thing about these transmissions. You clean everything up real nice, and you think you're doing a good job, and somehow sometimes things get worse. It's kind of frustrating like that sometimes, but we'll see. But yeah, I just had you can see a lot of pitting here. Just had a lot of rust in it, and this was in a running unit, which is kind of crazy. But anyways, I'm getting through it, but thankfully I've got stuff on the shelf from years ago when I used to do a lot of these that, actually fits well and all that stuff. But, I'm running out of that stuff fast. I don't have much left. So anyways, back to the drawing board. Just to let you know, I won't be offering rebuild kits for Cruisos. I'm going to keep looking just because I still do these units locally here. I don't really want to do them far away. I don't want to do a lot of them. I got to be honest with you. And this is one of the reasons why. And they're just, they're old. They take time to rebuild, and it's not a unit people want to spend a lot of money on. They're good units when they're done right, but in this day and age, it's getting harder to get there. I got to be honest with you. But if you're a local cat and want to drop one off, I'm happy to do it. But I don't want to get into shipping these and going through all that rigmarole, and it's just not worth it to me to, be in business doing a bunch of these anymore. I do like them. I like working on them, but I don't know. It's just getting tough. It really is. So, sorry to disappoint you guys. I won't be coming out with a rebuild kit for it, it looks like. Unless, that could change. If it does, I'll pull this video. But I just wanted to let you know that, and I don't really have anything else to say other than I am disappointed. But that's the way it is. You're dealing with, what is this stuff? 50, 60, almost 70 years old, some of these things now. It's getting really hard. So, I was hoping to offer you guys a nice rebuild kit and not really do them anymore at all. And just give you the stuff and wish you luck, and there's a video, go ahead and do it, but it's not going to happen. if you guys are doing one of these, I don't know, you know, there are better kits than the one I got here right now. I can tell you that, but I don't really right now have one that I would recommend to you that you're not going to be chasing some seals on it. That's the God's honest truth there, at least from what I've found. But if you guys, you know, have done one of these recently and you said, man, I bought a kit from such and such and I had everything I needed and everything fit great and worked great, please let me know in the comments, you know. And I don't know, you know, I don't think there's a lot of you guys left that are still messing around with these old units. We're kind of at a point where we really don't appreciate cars as original anymore. We're just trying to, you know, put something modern in them, modern motors and modern transmissions with overdrive and lockup converters. And the guys are really trying to restore cars back to original. I think that's becoming a dying breed. I don't think the younger generation really cares. They're just like, hey, I want to drive it. I want it to be fast. I want it to be fun. I don't want this old junk anymore. So I think that's kind of where we're at for the most part. But I don't know. Give me some thoughts on that too. You know, let's get a little discussion going. I like to see what you guys have to say about all this stuff. It's interesting to me, you know. I already know what my opinion is, so it's always curious to hear somebody else's on it. And I don't know, maybe the world still needs me to do these. I don't know. Let me know that too. I don't think there's too many guys that are jumping on these jobs anymore. Get a lot of emails about them. But okay, guys, that's it. I won't ramble on any longer. Just letting you know this kit didn't work out like I hoped. So, back to the drawing boards, my friends. All right. We'll see you on another video. Thanks for supporting the channel.